So people, because I discipline my child, right? Wanna say for myself? The wicked ex-husband call police and send them a my yard because he want to see me go down. The wicked ex-husband, when I have, send police a my yard because he want to see me go down. You see me I say? But as I tell you already, I'm not afraid of police. I'm not afraid of the police them because I know American law. Him stupid and him dumb. He might try everything for me go down because I discipline him daughter to clean up my house.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Now, a couple of things I see trending with Cartel is people is accusing him of buying fake jewelry for his wife Sidem, and they're calling for Sidem to be deported from Jamaica. Yes, they want to know what she do there so long, you see what I say. So you know Vybz Kartel in traditional fashion answered them, you see what I say. Because you know so much people have so much things to say, how she look, you know, like she can't dress and all of these things. So Cartel said, you know, and buy a Range Rover fear when he was in prison, you see what I say. And some gal are watching woman and them man not even buy them, you know, a big deal. KFC. You see what I say. One say them hashtag, you know, one say them bad mind, you know, your mother and all of these things. You see what I say. And say them is also warning them to stop sending videos with Cartel. A dagger out, you know, the groupie them because she not left for a man, you see.
How you go?
Well, go fully active, you know. Remember a Cartel and an Artwell. And we start with like Caribbean #1 jeweler. You see it?
Okay.
Fully active, isn't it?
No, say too much.
See them thing I know you could have buy a house of work now. Wow.
Acknowledges my name.
This is my baby.
And I will
You know what I mean?
I will
Yeah.
leave him in trouble.
So stop watching more, man.
And honor him.
I'm watching a look at what this man. And some of them mama man go watching a one girl. Stop watching more, man. And carry news. So could the mother. I'm out.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about the jewelry. To me, it looks nice, you know. I mean, it reminds me of the 80s style type of thing, you know, girl with the hoop earrings and stuff, you know. But some people is saying, you know, I'm trying to transform her into a get-a-gal and all of this stuff. You see what I say? And, you know, those don't look like, you know, Cartiers and all the things. But now I read out everything for Honor, but my screenshot the most important ones for Honor. You see what I say? As you can see at the bottom of the screen, the people them don't know about the law that the DPP broke. Why, you know, a convicted murderer, as they say, got away with getting free. I know they're questioning, you know, all along see them in other country and all of this stuff. You see what I say? I'm not going to go into all of these things. They can't really talk for themselves. You know what I mean? But the type of woman see them is, she's not really in the name brand and all of them things. That she's probably into family values. You know, buying jewelry, of course. It's not the first set of jewelry she's gotten from him, and things, and real estate properties. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, dancehall Queen Spice ex-dancers are, you know, hitting back at critics after the tables turns, you know, against them. You know, at things that people remember, you know, TC and them was critiquing these people's carnival outfits, and now these things, you know, now they're on the microscope, you feel me, and they're not too having it. So let's hear what she has to say to her critics, and then we'll proceed.
Why am I go over Instagram go see somebody and talk about my extra small dress? Now, I say I never go say nothing, you know, and tell her I say I follow it, you know, but I really and truly have to address it because I see it becomes a train reaction, and everybody just have a problem with influencers. How many influencers them don't do nothing, have a problem with them? The people them don't do nothing at all and choose to have a problem with them. And the girl go and she go. Here what she go say now. I don't know her, you know. A pure hole in her face and she not say she need to tax out her face. And she want to come in an argument with people and talk about people and put up things about people. I don't normally do them something here, but I'm really rich, my breaking point now. I'm not telling a lie. Like, una have a problem with everybody, my girl. Don't take no set pa my girl. Don't take no set pa my girl. Me don't want nobody take no set pa me. Leave me alone in Jesus' name. My mother grow me good. Me not trouble nobody. Me not trouble nobody. She go as far as I talk about people are squeeze up in an extra small. Them coochie supposed to stink. And them something the girl. Like, for real. Over one little dress, me and my friend have a funny moment about. Somebody really can't have a problem with that. I'm saying I never never pay no mind, you know. But I realize that on the internet, uno talk about people are bully, and uno the biggest set of bully. Uno the biggest set of bully on the internet. Uno draw people come and draw people go. Uno tell lie on people come and uno tell lie on people go. Me not see nobody, me not trouble nobody. If people are big, me not trouble them. If people foot big, me not trouble them. If them aren't big.
Yeah, put in the comment section if it's a table turn situation. And I say table turns because you know I Spice sing the song. You see me say, oh, people, I forgot with the Cartel story. You know, I forgot to mention that, you know, it was alright with, you know, Queenie spending money on Dewey and doing that spending money on her. You feel me? So I don't know what's the problem with Sidem, you know what I mean? Shorty have her man, but she don't want to come public with it. Yeah, let's proceed. Now, most of you is here for this story from this lady. She sent me this video a couple days ago, but you know the thing's set. I'm seeing it now, you feel me? And it has to do with, you know, all you deal with your youths them when, you know, them not here. You see what I say? And they look like them there, America. And the ex-husband sent Babylon to the yard. Because of a video. I did not see the video in question. You see me? But let's hear what she has to say and then we'll proceed.
Alright. I said I was gonna make a video, but I'm gonna make a video on this, right? This is me in real motherfucking life. Me no fake lifestyle on fucking social media. No, do not piss me off now. So una beat in the pitney. Una beat in the pitney. No, come talk, come talk. Come make we talk. When you want to ask all the questions, I'm going to reply to the comment. So, no take the video here. I want to put it on pink wall, put it on the yellow wall, or put it on all of the social media you want. You see what I say? Alright. I had a 17-year-old child in my house, right? Me alone a provide for you without a fucking father. Alright? Okay. Weekend. I was supposed to clean, don't it? And that's how I grew up. Bathroom for clean, house to clean up, place to clean per weekend time. School time, different. Oh, and I've been mentioned bathroom for clean like 3 weeks now. My bathroom can't clean and me have to do it. Me I provide for her. Me I provide the roof over her head. Me I find food. Me I find clothes in the house for sure. Me I do everything for her as a single mother. Alright? So if I got to go work and come in, I have a 17-year-old left in my house there down. But my AC, near my food, flush my toilet, wipe her fucking ass, and she can't clean up my house. When I come, I could talk. And become a this. We only see part of the video, so she see the whole light. When I dash out the water upon her, the ice water. Yeah. Can't all Jamaican parents them. When I see the whole video, she only video some of it. Watch about the video when me go in there and I tell her to get up and go clean up the place and she a back at me. And the things that she want to do in my house when I don't approve of. And because she depend on punishment because she go out with her friends them for the weekend, girl have attitude in my house. But I can tell you something. Me, as a Jamaican mother, nothing but me not change. Nothing but me not change. You saw me I say? When me I grow up, I have to take click and go sit down in a corner. Yes, the police them come already. You know what's the police video them too? Because I got to go talk to the police because I'm not afraid of police in America. I'm not afraid of bad in America. Me know the law. No pitney. Now I go stay in my house and disrespect me while I'm paying the bills in my house. I make sure I provide a roof over her head. Food on her table. I am a good mother. Me not ask. Me is a good mother. But certain disrespect, I won't take it in my place. So guess what? Who can obey my rules as a Jamaican parents got to go. Get that clear. So that come on a bad comment, but that means I'm not a bad mother. I'm a good mother. Raising my child like a father. Me alone provide for her. thing what she do and me do it. Her father is not here in her life. Me make it happen for her. But when she not have it, when me not have it, me make sure say she have it. Me do without, I make she have it. Don't get me wrong. She's a smart student in a school. Me have to stay up on top of her in her game. Because she has to look up crabby friend where she a come keep. And then she want come live. Not under my dead body. She can't go by my rules and my house. She got to go. So, uno come past social media, uno fake a lifestyle, like uno beat uno pick as Jamaican parents them. People, DHS already come out already. Months ago. When I'm coming to my house up to date, me eat a run, my water running pipe a run, me have food in my house for she eat. She have her own room with queen side bedroom set. She live life in my house. And no DHS or nobody can't come mess with me. No miracle law. I'm not stupid, I'm not dumb. All them can say my bust her up and some blood start to run. Then I'm going to take her out and say, me's an abusive parent. And guess what? She have to come out of my house. You shall go stay in there and disrespect me. Because me again don't take disrespect from no pitney. I'm the mother and she's the child. I'm not provoking her. I know the law. But as long as she's in my house, she'll go by my rules in my house. How do you feel though? Pit in the house and burn your AC. Lift by your internet. Not in your house. Get up, go downstairs, go eat and come back up. Like me, some little idiot. People no go sit down and leave me the fuck alone. Alright. I said I was gonna make a video, but I'm gonna make a video on this, right? This is me in real motherfucking life.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where you think about that. You know, she talked for like 20 more so minutes. Some similar topics with the same situation that had with her, you know, ex-husband and child, you feel me? Well, I'm going to put that on the Dancehall story channel, because, you know, that's where we put all of the bagger and mix up, you know, run yourself with the entertainment, you know, news and music reviews and, you know, mix it with the gossip and stuff. It's in my say. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.